I just thought I would share that because apparently my big brown eyes, hold on, let's see exactly what it said. That's right, the big brown eyes pop out of the screen. Anyways, that's sweet to say. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Valentine's Day thus far. Yeah, my mom is my Valentine, as usual, but I love my mom. But, anyways, we're going out to eat, and then, we're going out to eat, and then probably come home, watch a movie, and I don't know what else. I do have to work today, but I work whenever today, and I have tomorrow off because it's President's Day, so that'll be nice. It would be nice to have Valentine's Day at least once. You know, Valentine for Valentine's Day. Well, my friend Terry, but, you know, P.S. pray for her because she messed up her ankle this morning. She fell somehow. Anyway, so, her boyfriend or whatever he is, had to take her to the hospital, which stinks, because, they have, like, you know, this whole thing planned, dinner and a movie, and, you know, all that romantic, mushy stuff. So, I can't say I'm not a little bit envious. And he gave her roses, and I'm just like, oh. I have this thing about roses. I don't really know what it is, but if someone gets me a rose, I'm just like, oh. I don't know. I'm a weird romantic, I guess. I get it from my mom. Buy me a rose, call me from work, open the door for me, what would it hurt? Sing a little Kenny Rogers there for you. That's one of my mom's favorite songs. Anyways, once again, I don't really have anything specific to talk about, but I wanted to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day. Someone left me a comment that I look sexy in the sunglasses. So I thought I would bust them out again. But I don't like being able to see the reflection of the webcam. I don't know, it always gets on my nerves. I said the same thing, like, if you'll remember a long time ago, I did that video, my new glasses, whatever, and said the same thing. I'm like, the only thing about wearing glasses is that they reflect off the screen. And that's always, I don't know, that always gets on my nerves. I'm trying to open this stupid... Before we go out to eat, I just thought I would do another video. But yeah, like I was saying, I love roses. Be nice to have a Valentine, just so I could get roses. Apparently Logan has 6. I'm not bitter. Just saying. That's what I heard through the grapevine. And here I thought I was special. Sad story. But yeah, getting roses make you feel special. And I'm not talking about short bus special. I love how, like, this whole video I've been talking about roses. how appropriate for Valentine's Day. And if you notice, I'm wearing red. Lady in red. I'm in a singing mood today. Even in the shower. I was like in the shower, and now I'm afraid to even mention about in the shower because of a comment I got a little while back. But anyways, I was in the shower, and I was just like, everybody dance now. Dun, 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 dun. I'm serious. I was breaking it down, and I almost fell. I'm serious. I seriously did almost fall. It was a good. I was like, whoa. So I guess that's it. I'm putting lipstick on again. Like, I don't know why I'm all Twitter pated. Anyway, I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you for all the kind words. I'm glad that my big brown eyes that pop out of the screen amuses you. And I'm glad that you got a butterface. Thinks I look sexy in sunglasses. I'll growl. Speaking of the sunglasses, I don't like it reflecting off the screen. I don't know, I'm weird. I don't know. So anyway, I guess we're going out to eat now. Hopefully someone comments me and talks to me because I get lonely. I really do. When I come on YouTube and I see that nobody's commenting me, Logan hasn't made a video, nothing new on YouTube, I'm just like, one is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one, but the loneliest number is the number one. There I go with the singing again. I feel like a goober. I do. I feel like weird. I mean, more than usual. And I'm still a little paranoid to sit at this desk because there's bugs somewhere. Not kidding. And I don't hear any noises. You know, usually in videos, I'm always like, when I'm not, I can't even talk. I'm always like, I hear something. I always like paranoid and everything. On Twitter page, I don't know what, I'm restless. So I'll let you go now. For reals this time. Talk to y'all later. And that's pretty much all I have to say. It froze. I hate when it does that. Ruined my life. So I hope everybody else has a good Valentine's Day with that special someone. The one you love. What's that thing? Today's events are tomorrow's memories. I don't know. It's freezing. I feel like this video was stupid. I already retook it one time because I thought the last one was like extra stupid. So anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. For reals. This time. Okay. That's it. It's freezing again. There's my mad face again. Okay. Happy V-Day, and that's pretty much it.